Hey guys, how you doing? Erica, welcome. So, if you have been struggling to get repins on Pinterest, get followers on Pinterest, uh, get invites to group boards on Pinterest, get comments on your pins so that they rank higher on Pinterest, I have found a solution for you guys. You see, I've been around with Facebook groups for a while now, and I have learned a lot. And I can honestly tell you guys that if you want to grow your Pinterest accounts, you need to be in Facebook groups. But the problem with these groups on Facebook is that you are limited to rules. They tell you how many posts you can post, what is allowed in these groups, what you can and cannot do. So I've gone ahead and created a group for you guys where I want all of you to go ahead and join. What you're going to be getting from this group is that you're going to help each other grow. So like if you're new to Pinterest and you've just created an account, you can join this group to grow your followers. So this is going to be your group. You're going to post threads, what you want to happen to your Pinterest profile, and other members of the group are going to reciprocate. So there aren't any rules. Everyone are allowed to create threads like these that I've created. I'm going to be creating 4 of these every week that everyone can comment below, and you guys can follow each other on Pinterest. You can repin each other's pins to your group boards and to your boards from here. You can also comment on each other pins and whatever helps you. Like if you want traffic to your blog, traffic to your affiliate links, whatever is going to help you grow, I want you guys to go ahead and join this group so that you all can help each other grow on all of your other social media platforms. So like if you have an Instagram account that you want to grow your followers, you have a YouTube channel that you want to grow your subscribers list, you have a blog that you've just created and you want some comments on your post so that they rank higher in the search engines, whatever it is. You have a Facebook page that you want likes to. This is where you're going to be able to do all of that. So I think this is the best way to start getting results from all of your efforts that you are putting into Pinterest, into all of your other social media profiles. This group is going to help you. You all are going to help each other grow in every way that you can. So I'm going to leave a link in the comment section below, not in the description, because YouTube is not ranking my videos whenever I put links in the descriptions. So I've decided to change that. I'm going to check out this group once a week to see that everything is in order. And I'm going to be here if you guys need help with anything. You can just send me a message on this group, and I'm going to be commenting and helping, sending invites and all of that good stuff from this group board. Whenever I have tips or new videos or stuff, I'm going to post them in here for you guys to get the info right on here as well. So go ahead and join the groups, and I promise you guys are going to get a lot of help out of this. You're going to grow your profiles, and your pins are just going to rank higher on Pinterest, and the traffic is just going to, start coming in automatically when you start using these techniques. So my goal here is to help everyone grow. And if we can help each other grow, I think that is priceless. Someone just getting started with Pinterest, don't know their way around, and they need help. They need followers. They need repins and all of that. You guys can help each other do that within this group board. So yeah, go ahead and join. I'm gonna accept everyone from the channel, and stay awesome. If you have any questions, you can get me on here. Stay awesome.